Hello and welcome to Science Today. Today's Monday, March 1st, and we're going over the standard Life Science 8.2. Every organism alive today comes from a long line of ancestors who reproduce successfully every generation. So I'll go over today's do now. Today you need to be starting the Rebop lab, and then you'll finish that tomorrow, and I'll go over the rest of the week. So the do now today, you have to explain what advantages does asexual reproduction give a farmer who produces strawberries. So go ahead and pause your computer and answer that. So the reason or the advantage asexual reproduction gives the farmer is that this parent plant will reproduce an identical offspring. So it's going to have all the same genes as the parent, and it'll produce it faster than sexual reproduction. So you know that the strawberries are going to be big and succulent and juicy because the parent plant was. And so the offspring will be identical to that. Here are the vocab words that you need to make sure you're looking over for your SCA on Friday. That's asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, meiosis, mitosis, and genetic variability. On Tuesday, you're finishing the Rebop lab. The question is, how are genotypes and phenotypes related? Go ahead, pause the video and answer that. Genotypes and phenotypes are related because the genotypes tell the phenotype what to show or what to be present. So the genotype would be the two alleles. So in our Rebop lab, that would be like capital B, capital B. And then the phenotype would be the physical characteristics, what to show in that organism. And so that would be 3 body segments. These are misconceptions. You need to make sure that you understand why these statements are not true. On Wednesday, what are 2 advantages of reproducing asexually? So we just went over those on Monday. So you're talking about you pass on traits that you know that work and genes that work because it's a full functioning parent and they're passing on that genetic information to the offspring, and that it happens quickly and you don't have harmful traits being passed on usually. Update on Mars rover for Thursday. Then on Wednesday, you are starting the worksheet on 3B. And then on Thursday, you are going to be doing the claims, evidence, and reasoning for the alien gizmo. And the do now says, which process allows for sex cells to divide their chromosomes in half? What type of reproduction does this take place in? So meiosis is what divides those cells in half. And then that takes place in sexual reproduction. And Friday, or Throwback Thursday, a female rabbit has 5 offspring in 1 litter. 2 of the 5 baby rabbits were able to survive into adulthood. Why are some animals more likely to survive to adulthood than others? You should have said B, they're able to adapt to their environment. C, they're able to adapt to their environment better. And Friday, give 2 examples of genetic variability. Which reproduction leads to more genetic variability and why? 2 examples of genetic variability would be having taller people and shorter people, or having large claws and little claws. And then sexual reproduction leads to more genetic variability because you have 2 parents, so you're getting different genes from each one. Have a great day. I care about you, want you to be successful, and I'll see you later. Bye.